Making your work life easier and more profitable is the essence of our daily duty. Everywhere in the world, your needs are at the heart of our services. A global network beside you to support you every day. Because being by your side is essential for us. An extensive customer care global network always available. 149 countries, 2,200 authorized service partners, 10,000 service engineers. Always on duty for your satisfaction, supporting the pursuit of your goals. Because providing our customers with what they need is the essence of our business. Every day we travel across the globe to be by your side, always connected to take care of your business in real time. We guarantee security and peace of mind thanks to a dedicated offer. To keep you operating and performing at the highest level, we deliver original accessories and consumables. Our accessories and consumables are designed to get the maximum from your appliances and boost the highest profitability for your business. Because your satisfaction is our satisfaction. Every day, taking care of your future. Our promise is to be by our customers' side in each step of their journey with Electrolux Professional. Essentia, teamed to serve you anytime, anywhere.